Hey folks, in our last few videos, we've been talking about training and specifically the benefits of training your team. Today, I want to share an added benefit with you, and that benefit is that it keeps your employees engaged and challenged and agile. Well, what do I mean by that? Well, in a couple previous videos, we introduced the learning zone model, where we know that people spend a fair bit of time in their comfort zone. It's where they feel good, where they know what they're doing. We push them into the learning zone to learn something new in a supportive and constructive way. And sometimes we actually push them into the panic zone where we sort of thrown too much at them at once. But one of the benefits of taking the time to train your team members is that the longer we spend in the comfort zone, the harder it can be to push ourselves out into the learning zone. We start to get very comfortable with what we know, and we become sometimes less open to learning new things. So by regularly training our team, we're constantly pushing them into the learning zone, which means that they're more comfortable with change, with learning new tasks, new ways of doing existing tasks, which keeps them more flexible and more agile. And if there's one thing we know about the manufacturing setting, it's that there is always change happening. There's always improvements. There's always better ways to do things. And so we want a team that is agile and able to roll with those punches as they come. And in order to do that, we want to move our people regularly from that comfort zone into that learning zone.